Hello, my name is Colin Donovan. I am a grade 2 teacher at Ignite School, and I would like to talk to you a little bit about how we use coding at our school. So we know that coding and technology are everywhere, and they are in a lot of the things that we use. It is really important for kids to understand this technology and to be able to work with it. It's kind of a very important skill now, and it will become even more important in the future. And learning coding, learning even the basics of coding, helps to prepare our students for the future. Studies have found that if we can get students interested in coding from a young age, they're more likely to stick with it as they get older. And these types of jobs related to coding and technology are generally quite good jobs to have. In my class in grade 2, we have used coding in a number of different ways this year. The first way is through the use of Kubo Robots. So these are robots, they're little robots that we can use. And they come with a set of tiles, and those tiles each represent the code that we're teaching the robots. So students will use a map and they will lay the tiles down on the map to kind of teach the robot, to guide the robot to move. So this is teaching them the basics of coding, this step-by-step instruction for the robot to follow. And this is a really great resource because there's no computer, there's no screen, there's no software, they're really hands-on with the coding. Probably the most popular way that we use coding in my class is through Lego engineering. So students build Lego projects, and when they're completed, they can connect kind of the special pieces we have in our kits to those Legos. We can connect those to the computer, and then through the use of the software, they can code those projects. They can make them move, they can make them do things. So it's very nice. They follow the directions and they can make the projects do what they're supposed to do, but then after they understand the basics of that, they can kind of build upon that knowledge and they can make things go faster or make things move in different ways. A couple of specific projects that we've worked on this year in my class. We learned about earthquakes in science class and earth science. So we were able to build an earthquake simulator with our Lego engineering kits. We were able to test kind of different levels of earthquakes against different types of structures to see kind of what structures survive the best in earthquakes. We were also able to build a flower with a bumblebee that flew around it, and we were able to code that bee so that every time it was near the flower, it buzzed. So it was very fun, it was very exciting for the students to do. And we also did a lot of kind of more basic things like see if students can use the pieces we have to build a car and then connect that to the software and make that car go. And it's always fun to have a race with these cars. Even for our younger students, KG1 and KG2, we can teach coding at Ignite. So here we have the Lego Coding Express. So this is a Duplo train, just like you might have at home. It runs on batteries, but the special thing about this is it has these action bricks. So as the train drives over these bricks, it interacts with them. So this is teaching our students that they can kind of control the train, but through the use of these tiles. So this is another great screen-free way that we can teach coding, and all students, not just KG1 and KG2, but all students really love to use this. Something that is very important in the coding that we do is collaboration with students. So you might think of students learning to code just by using a computer, just by using websites and software, and we do that. That is also quite important. But a big piece of the coding is the collaboration. So kind of the teamwork, working with friends to solve problems or to help each other. And generally students really love this. It's a really fun activity for them to do. And definitely if you have any questions, please contact Mr. Andy and let me know. Thank you.